Your hands feel numb, your legs feel weak. Your memory feels slower than before. And every time you search the reason, you hear the same advice again and again. Take vitamin B12. But what if I tell you something shocking? Most seniors are taking vitamin B12 the wrong way, and that's why their symptoms are not improving. If you are over 60 and already taking B12 but still feel tired, dizzy, forgetful, or unsteady while walking, this message is especially for you. Doctors now say the problem is not B12 itself. The problem is how you take it. Vitamin B12 is essential for your nerves, brain balance, red blood cells, and energy. Without it, nerves slowly die. That's why B12 deficiency causes tingling in hands and feet, burning sensations, muscle weakness, depression, confusion, and even memory loss. But here is the truth most people don't know. After age 50, your body loses the ability to absorb B12 properly from food and regular pills. As we age, stomach acid decreases. This acid is necessary to separate B12 from food and help absorb it. Many seniors also take acid-reducing medicines, diabetes drugs like metformin or antacids, which further block B12 absorption. So even if you are eating well or swallowing B12 tablets every day, very little of it may actually reach your nerves. Another big mistake is taking the wrong form of B12. Many cheap supplements contain cyanocobalamin. Doctors now warn that this form is poorly absorbed in seniors and must be converted by the liver before the body can use it. Aging livers often struggle with this process. That's why many doctors prefer methylcobalamin or hydroxycobalamin, which are active forms and easier for the body to use. Timing also matters more than you think. Taking B12 with heavy meals, tea, coffee, or calcium supplements can reduce absorption. Some seniors take B12 at night and complain of poor sleep or restlessness. B12 supports nerve activity, so it's best taken earlier in the day unless your doctor advises otherwise. Dosage is another hidden problem. Seniors often take very low doses thinking more is dangerous, but doctors explain that B12 is water-soluble. Excess is usually excreted in urine. In deficiency cases, higher doses are often required, especially in the beginning, to refill depleted nerve stores. Low doses may maintain levels but cannot repair damage. And here is the most ignored truth. Oral tablets don't work for everyone. In many seniors, absorption through the gut is so weak that tablets barely help. That's why doctors sometimes recommend sublingual B12, dissolved under the tongue, nasal sprays, or injections. These methods bypass the stomach and deliver B12 directly into the bloodstream, where your nerves can actually use it. Ignoring B12 deficiency is dangerous. Untreated nerve damage can become permanent. Balance problems can lead to falls. Memory issues can worsen. Fatigue can steal your independence. But the good news is, when B12 is taken the right way, many seniors feel improvement in energy, clarity, and nerve symptoms within weeks. So don't just take vitamin B12 blindly. Take it wisely. The right form, the right method, and the right timing can make all the difference between slow decline and renewed strength. If you are a senior, this is not just a vitamin. This is nerve protection, brain support, and quality of life.